What's up, y'all? This is Elf in the Chronicle. Oh, okay, yeah, okay, he right there. What I was about to say was, y'all don't know nothing about the old school fruit truck. What y'all know about the LSFT? Y'all don't know nothing about the old school fruit truck, man. When I was a little kid, we used to love the fruit truck. This one is a little bit more high class, you feel me? But back in the day, y'all, they used to come through the neighborhood on the north side, and we had a donut truck. I miss this type of shit, y'all. I grew up coming outside. Even they used to have a little nigga, a Mexican man that would like have fruit on the basket. Everything in the basket was $1. And he would already had a fruit pre-bagged. I used to love running outside to the fruit truck, y'all. I'm in LA with my cousin, and this just brought it back a little old school memory I wanted to share with y'all. I love y'all. Be well.